Hello guys, my name is Jibidan here, and sorry if I sneeze too much because today I'm sick. But today I will show you how to make your very own first ever website using HTML. I mean with HTML5 using Visual Studio Code. Okay. Just download it. It is available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. See. Now just click the download button here, and it will take a while for it to load. To download. Okay, so it finished. So the downloading process is finished. We can go ahead and show folder. So this is the setup right here. Now you run the setup. Okay, choose I accept. Next, create a desktop icon and Now there we go, we found HTML here. And name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it hello world.html. Okay, now we can begin to code. I don't know if this is just standard HTML or html5, but the most important part is this is HTML. So okay, so okay, let's begin coding, shall we? So okay, so oh, oops guys, I made a mistake. Body title hello world. So this will be our title right here. Here. Wait. Sorry for the cut. I kinda forgot how it worked, but now after I memorize it, now I remember it back. Now it's coming back to me now. Okay, so we are going to add text onto our HTML file. So this is the paragraph. And okay, so okay, so as you can see here, we go ahead and run. Wait, okay, we need to run this file, or maybe you can just run it to the source. Run it from the source. Okay, let me search my... Oh, there we go. So this is the HTML file. And if we open it, there we go. There is some bugs. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. But that is it for now. This is the only thing I can provide to you. At least it shows text, okay? So this is how you made your very first HTML5 hello world, or more accurately your very first website. But maybe you can call it a website, I don't know, just plain text. Let's just call it your very first HTML file, or just website, hello world website. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.